Why is Japanese food supposed to be so healthy? It was approved by UNESCO that because Japanese food makes skillful use of the umami flavor, very little animal fat is used. This is one cause of the longevity of Japanese people, and it also helps to prevent obesity. One of the key components of Japanese food is dashi. Dashi is a Japanese soup stock made out of seaweed, fish, and vegetables. There are kombu dashi, katsuo dashi, awase dashi, niboshi dashi, hoshi shiitake dashi. I'm not gonna go over every single kind for this time. In this video, we're gonna be exploring why dashi is good for your health and also how you can realistically implement dashi into your cooking. So why dashi is good for your health? There is two reasons based on my study and experience. Number one, you can reduce the amount of oil and sugar by intaking more of dashi flavor. There are three taste elements which people can be biologically addicted with: sugar, oil, and umami. Dashi is packed with umami flavor from fish, seaweed, and vegetables. If you start to enjoy more umami flavor, you will naturally crave for less sugar and oil-contained products. Number two, ideal nutritional balance. So when I make a Japanese food for my family, the first thing that it comes in my mind is what can we go along with the rice bowl and soup. Let's say I want to make a simple side dish with spinach. If I serve with bread, I probably saute with butter and make an omelette or make a salad with dressing. But if I'm pairing with rice and miso soup, it will be blanched spinach soaking in a dashi stock or simply sprinkle some bonito flakes followed by dashi soy sauce. You notice that I don't use much oil when I paired with rice. Moreover, I do usually make one main dish plus two side dishes using different protein and vegetables. Each takes no minutes to make but well balanced overall. By the way, if you go to my website, there are lots of healthy Japanese meal ideas. Link is on the box below. So for now, if you are really new to dashi flavor, it might take time to implement yourself to new habits. But remember, the repetition is the key. So to continuously make dashi into your cooking, so dashi making itself has to be really easy. So I'm gonna show you how I actually make in my busy life. I use dashi packet for most of the time. Inside of dashi packet, there are chunk of bonito fish, kombu, and shiitake mushroom, or sometimes dried sardine. It varies depending on what kind of brand you are using for. All you have to do is put dashi packet in the water and bring it to a boil. Once you bring it to a boil, lower the heat and simmer it between 4 to 6 minutes depending on how strong you want the taste to be. Longer you simmer, the more flavor will come out. Shake your dashi packet to release more flavor and discard from the soup. And that's it. You already have a beautiful dashi stock. What I really like about this is there are options for lots of flavors. Other than bonito flakes and kelp, you can find the one with shiitake mushroom and kelp, which are perfect for the plant-based cuisine. Moreover, you can find the one without additives and salt. I want to enjoy as natural as possible. Another kind is dashi powder. Some of you probably know dashi powder. They are available anywhere and very convenient since all you have to do is just dissolve in hot water. This convenience is quite a benefit if you're a busy person. However, I also have to tell the downside. I'd say those kind of has a quite different taste comparing with authentic dashi from scratch, which I'm gonna show you how to make in minutes. Also, they tend to have more additives and salt, with the reason I seldom use it for daily. Next, let me show you how to make dashi from scratch. First one is awase dashi. Awase literally means combining in Japanese, so it's the combination of kombu seaweed and bonito flakes. Kombu has a glutamic acid and bonito flakes has a inosinic acid. They are both categorized as one of the umami elements. When those two are combined together, umami taste will go up to 7 to 8 times stronger than the solo by synergistic effect. If you want to know more about kombu and bonito flakes, please check my Japanese cooking beginner's guide video I linked on the box below. Wipe off the dust of the kelp by rubbing with paper towel and soak kombu into the water for minimum 30 minutes or overnight in the fridge. Then put on the heat to high. Remove the kelp out before it starts to boil, otherwise the soup becomes too slimy and too seaweedy. This is the kelp stock. You can of course enjoy as is if you are plant-based. Bring the kelp stock to high, then off the heat and add bonito flakes immediately. Let them submerge in water, but never make a swirl. If you do so, you will end up with a cloudy fishy soup. We want the dashi stock to be nice and golden color, plus perfectly well-balanced taste. After 2 minutes, strain the soup gently. Smells so comforting to me. We also call this as a ichiban dashi, which often used for soup. Look at this beautiful color. We also have a niban dashi, putting the bonito flakes and kelp, which you used for ichiban dashi, back into the water and bring it to a boil, and add extra bonito flakes and simmer it for 10 minutes. Then strain. Niban dashi is usually thicker and stronger than ichiban dashi. We often use this for braised vegetables. It's getting quite a lot of information, but please hang on with me. We'll go over hoshi shiitake dashi, which is a plant-based version of dashi. Rinse shiitake mushroom gently in the water and soak the shiitake mushroom in water for overnight. After overnight soaking, shiitake mushroom should become very soft and tender. Discard the shiitake mushroom. I usually use this shiitake mushroom for vegetable mixed rice, which I already made a video about that, so link is on the box below. I have a kelp soaking in water for at least 30 minutes or up to overnight. Mix with shiitake mushroom broth and put on the heat. Take out kombu before bringing it to a boil, and your shiitake and kombu mixed dashi is ready to be enjoyed. You can add vegetable tofu followed by miso paste for the miso soup, or salt and soy sauce for clear soup. Talking about myself, I used to skip meals and eating snacks as a substitution. I was especially craving for sugar like chocolate and cookies. They are also addictive and couldn't stop. It was okay because I was still really young, but after passing mid-20s, I started to feel myself bloated, heavy, and lack of energy. Then I started focusing more on traditional Japanese eating style. Since then, I've been making dashi stock plus eating fermented products every day. It becomes part of my life. I feel energetic every day, and I haven't seen doctor for more than 10 years, with taking care of 2 energetic boys. So remember, this is just one example of how I maintain myself and my family to stay healthy. And I know each of you has your own way what works best for you. So if you have any habit that makes you healthy, leave the comment below. If you have anything you do for your health, so please share in the comment below. I'll be so curious what you guys are doing. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you do so, make sure to give the thumbs up and also subscribe for the next video. Thank you very much. Mata ne. Bye bye.